Here is your mathematics class, children. Today we will continue unit 4 multiplication. In that we will study number patterns on multiplication and lattice multiplication. Let's see number pattern on multiplication. Here is the first question of number pattern on multiplication. You have studied that patterns are based on addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Today we are going to learn number patterns on multiplication. Observe this pattern and complete. You have to observe, you have to see these patterns and complete the given blanks. Here are the blanks, here are the blanks. So for completing, first of all we have to read and understand that how it works. See children, first one. In the pattern we find that when the two-digit number 11 is multiplied itself, the middle digit in the product is. The middle digit in the product is. If 11 is multiplied, read the question carefully. If the 11 is multiplied by itself, itself means that number itself, the 11 is. So that is 11 multiply 11. Now it is asked the middle digit in the product is. What will be the middle digit in the product? Like middle digit is like 11 multiply 11. So 1, 2, 1 is there, no? So the middle digit is what? 2 is the middle digit. So you have to write here 2. That is already done for you. But how it works? Now I am going to teach you that how we get without multiplying the middle number. See, 11 multiply 11. You don't have to multiply and you will get the middle number. See children, this is the multiplier, isn't it? We call it multiplier. For this multiplier, the two digits, no, that two digits you have to add. 1 plus 1 is 2. That will be the middle number. And these two numbers you have to write aside. Got it? Easy? Yes, and interesting. Now see, if 3-digit number is there, that is 111 is multiplied by the itself, the middle digit in the product is what? If you are adding 1 1 1 3 times, 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, what the product is? 3. That is only the middle digit. See, 1 2 3 2 1. So middle digit is what? 3. Got it? Then how we are doing this? Like 1 1 1 is there and we are multiplying by 1 1 1. We have added these 3 digit 1 plus 1 plus 1. You got the middle number. As the pattern, as you have multiplied 11 multiply 121 11, you got 121, no? So that number you have to write 1 2 3. This is the middle number. So it goes in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Then you have to go descending order after the middle number 2 1. So you have got the answer 1 2 3 3 2 1. Got it children? Interesting, no? Yes. Now similarly, if you have 4-digit number, that is 1111, 4 times 1, what? 4 times 1. Then how will you get the middle number? Here in that it is written when the 4-digit number 111 is multiplied by itself. 111 is multiplied by itself. Did you understand? No, that number itself, like 1111 1111 multiply 1. Then what the middle digit in the product? Middle digit means that you have to add 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That middle digit will be 4. Clear? Here this is this one, okay, 4. Then how will you get the remaining number? You have to write this in ascending order as in the previous one, like 1 2 3, middle number is 4, 3 2 1, descending order. Clear? Similarly here, that 5 times 1 is there, 5 times 1. So the middle number will be 5. Middle number will be 5. Now remaining number goes as done in the previous pattern. You know, pattern is based on each other. So here the number will be 1 2 3 4, then middle number, then write in the descending order. 4, 3, 2, 1. This the answer will be that you have to write in the blank. Now the last one. How many times ones are there, children? Just count it. In this question 6 times 1 is there. So middle number will be, children, 1 plus 1 6 times means 6. Then the remaining numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? Then go descending order. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You will get the answer what you will get when you multiply these numbers. Clear? Now look this side. What will be the middle digit when it 7-digit number is multiplied by itself? This is 7 digit, 7 times 1. So what will be the middle number? 7 only. Clear? So this you have to do in your copy. Okay. Now next question. Question number 2 given on page number 55. This number is 37 multiply 3. When you multiply 37 by 3, what will you get, children? 37 multiply 3. Read the table of 3 7 times. 3 7s are 21. Carry 2. 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11. Got it? So here you will get 1 1 1. 1 1 1. Then 1 1 1 multiplied by 10 is 1 1 0. Okay. Then 1 1 1 multiplied by 11 is what? Middle number will be 1 plus 1 2. Then you have to repeat that middle number. Okay. This will be like that. See, when we are multiplying 37 by 3, always we are getting 111. Okay. Now 111 multiply 11. As I have taught you that you have to add these two numbers, you will get 2. So your middle number is 2. Your side numbers, that is 1 1. So what you have to do? You have to repeat the middle number. Clear? So here 1, here 1 plus 2 3, that you have to repeat. And here this side 1 1 number is increasing, like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So what pattern you have got here? That pattern what we are getting here, see children, here 1 3 3 2, then 1 4 4 3, 1 5 5 4, 1 6 6 5. This number is goes on increasing. Okay. Then 1 7 7 6, 1 8 8 7. Clear? Is it correct? Yes. Then what is next? Next is, this is question number 3. 9 multiply 0 plus 1. 9 multiply 0, 9 multiply 0, 9 multiply 0 times 9, 0. Plus 1, 1. 9 multiply 1, 9 plus 2, 11. 9 multiply 2, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. Okay, so just see that you got the pattern. 9 multiply 3, 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 4, 31. Got the pattern? So you will get 41, 51, 61, and average result is increasing by 10. Average result is increasing by 10. Result is increasing by 10 means what is the difference between these two numbers? Okay, that is increase 11, 21 minus 11. That is 0, 2 minus 1. So average result is increased by 10. Now we are going to learn lattice multiplication. This is lattice multiplication. What is lattice multiplication? We know lattice is method of multiplying. Lattice multiplication, by the word only you know that is the method of multiplication. What you have to multiply? Large numbers using a particular grid. Here we multiply the large number, big numbers by using the grid. This is the grid. Okay. Here this is this box we have made, no, that is the grid. The method breaks the multiplication process into smaller steps to make the multiplication easier. So what is there in this method? It makes the multiplication easier. It divides in the small steps so that you can multiply the numbers easily. First we draw a grid that has a many rows, columns and multiplicand and the multiplier. So just learn how to draw the grid. First of all, you have to draw a box. That box that should be square. If this is 4 centimeters, then this side also you take 4 centimeters. Then divide that box in two equal parts. Okay, that is 2 centimeters each. Then this side also you have to draw line. Okay, one vertical line and this is the horizontal line. Done, children? Now what you have to do, you have to draw from this corner to that corner one slant line. Just learn how to draw. Then this small box are there, no? In that these corners you have to join by drawing the line. You got this grid box. What is that? This is the grid box. Now in this grid you have to work, you have to multiply the number. I am showing you how. Like you have to multiply 2-digit number 24 multiply 36. Okay, these 2-digit numbers you have to multiply. How will you multiply in that? Like this here where you have written 24 centimeters, no? So that you don't need not to write. Just for understanding you, I have told that draw the box of 4 centimeter so that it should be equal and it will look better. So just here you have to write, children, instead of 4 centimeter, write here 24. What you have to write? 24 in this box and here 4. 24. I will show you again. Like you had made this grid is done. This grid is done. So here you have to write 2, 4, 24. As you have to multiply 24 by 36. Now this side you have to write 3/6. Vertically you have to write 3/6. Okay. Now what you have to do, for making the multiplication easier, you have to read the table of 3. Read the table of 3. How many times? 4 times. 3 4s are 12. So in this box 1 2 1 2. Okay, as 3 4s are 12, so you have to write in the box 1 2. Okay, here is 2 4, here is 3 6. 3 multiply 4. First step is 3 multiply 4. Then you have to multiply this 3 by this 2. 3 2s are 6. As 3 2s are 6, so you have to put here 0 and below that 6. Now read the table of this 6. 6 4s are 24. 2 4 24. 6 2s are 12. Now what you have to do, children? Now you have to add the number which are given on the grid. How to add it? Like this number is here in this grid, 4 is there. So you have to write 4. Okay, look this grid. Add all the number which comes in this grid. 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6. Right? 6. Clear? 2 grids are over. Now this you have to add. 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8. You don't have to draw line, just for making you understand I am drawing line. Here is 0. So what the answer is, children? 8 8 6 4. 8 6 4 is the answer. Hence your product is 24 multiplied 36 is 8 6 4. 864. Easy? Yes. Now here that steps what I taught you, same steps are given here. First of all, you had multiply 3 multiply 6, because here we are multiplying 46 and 37. So first of all you have to multiply 3 6. 3 6 are 18. You have to write in the provided grid. Then 3 multiply 4, that is 12. That you have to write here as it is shown in the second step. Then third step, you have to multiply 7 by 6. Then 7 6 are 42, write in the grid. Then 7 4s are 28, that is the step 4 is done for you, that is 28. Okay, now how we have to add? You have to add first of all these diagonals. This is the diagonal, this box, that is 2. Then 8 plus 4 plus 8, that is 8 8 plus 8 16 plus 4 20. So 0 2 is carried down. Now you have to add this box. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5, and here 2 we have carried down, no, 4 5 6 7 7 you have to write here near this box. Then here is what is left here, children? Only 1. So your product is 46 multiplied 36 is 1702. Is it clear to you? Now see, multiplication you have to do here, that for multiplying 3-digit number by 2-digit number. For multiplying 3-digit number by 2-digit number. 3-digit number means, children, you know very well. Now I hope that all came to know all that thing, like 363. In that 3 digits are there, 363, and we are multiplying by 2 digit, that is 24. So similarly you have to make quite big box. There you had made 4 centimeters box, so here you can take that box 6 centimeters. Okay, it is rectangular box, not the square, because here we have 3 digit. So you have to make rectangular box. Then you have to divide these box in 1 to 3 equal parts. Then draw one horizontal line to divide that rectangular box in 2 equal parts. This is 1 part, this is 2 part. Vertically you have to divide in 3 parts, 1 2 3. Clear? Now what you have to do, you have to draw diagonals of that box. Join this, then join this, and join this. As the number is 363, so write 363. We have to multiply by 2 4. Then start multiplying. 2 3s are 6. Here you have to write 6. Here is 0. Clear? 2 6 are these two number, these 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. Are you getting me? Now 4 3s are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 12. 4 6 are 24. 4 3s are 12. Got it, children? Now you have to add the diagonals. Here first diagonal 2 is there. Here 6 plus 4 plus 1 11. 1 will be carried here. 2 3 4 5 6 7. Right? 4 5 6 7. Check it. Now 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8. 0. That answer is, hence the answer is 363 multiplied 24 equals to 8712. Is it correct, children? Have you seen? Yes, that is correct. That is given in your book, and it is the correct answer. So this all for you. Some exercise are given on page number 58 of lattice multiplication, that is in the book, and question number 2 is also there. Solve using lattice multiplication. All are based on the same procedure. Then pattern is also there, children, pattern search. So you all have to complete these 2 exercise in your copy, and please show it to me. Thank you, children.